Imagine a splash of bright orange and white darting in and out of a sea anemone's tentacles. It's one of the most iconic creatures in the ocean, thanks to its starring role in movies and its striking colors, the clownfish. But these little fish are more than just popular. They have some truly amazing adaptations that help them survive and thrive in their unique environment. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the clownfish to uncover what makes them so special. First off, let's talk about their appearance. Clownfish, with their bold orange bodies, white stripes, and black borders, are one of the most recognizable fish in the sea. But did you know there are over 30 different species of clownfish? While most people think of the orange and white variety, clownfish can actually be found in a range of colors, including black, yellow, and reddish hues. Each species has its own unique pattern, but they all share one common trait: their relationship with sea anemones. This brings us to one of the coolest facts about clownfish: their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. It's a classic example of mutualism, where both species benefit from each other. Sea anemones are predatory creatures with stinging tentacles that would normally paralyze or kill most fish. But not the clownfish. These little fish have a special mucus coating on their skin that protects them from the anemone's sting. So while other fish would be in serious trouble, clownfish can swim happily among the tentacles, safe from predators that wouldn't dare get close to the anemone. So, what's in it for the sea anemone? Well, the clownfish helps keep its home clean by eating debris and parasites. In return, the clownfish gets a safe place to live and raise its young. It's the ultimate win-win situation, and it's a partnership that has evolved over millions of years. Another fascinating fact about clownfish is their social structure. Clownfish live in small groups with a very strict hierarchy. At the top is the dominant female, who is the largest fish in the group. Next in line is the dominant male, followed by several smaller, non-breeding males. Here's where it gets really interesting. Clownfish are protandrous hermaphrodites, which means they are born male but can change to female if necessary. So, if the dominant female dies, the largest male will change sex and become the new female, and one of the smaller males will move up the ranks. Talk about adaptability. Clownfish are also territorial and will fiercely defend their sea anemone homes. They may be small, but they're bold, often darting out to chase away much larger fish that come too close. These little fish are known for their bravery, and they're not afraid to stand their ground when it comes to protecting their territory. Now let's talk about their diet. Clownfish are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. In the wild, they feed on algae, plankton, small crustaceans, and the occasional leftover bits of fish from their sea anemones' meals. This varied diet helps them stay healthy, and in return, their foraging helps keep the sea anemone clean by removing debris and parasites. Clownfish are found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef. They prefer shallow, sheltered reefs where they can find plenty of sea anemones to call home. These reefs provide not only food, but also protection from predators like larger fish and eels that would love to make a meal out of a clownfish. Despite their widespread popularity and starring roles in movies, clownfish face challenges in the wild. Coral reef degradation due to climate change, pollution, and overfishing all threaten the habitats that clownfish depend on. Additionally, the pet trade has put pressure on wild populations, as clownfish are often collected for home aquariums. While clownfish can be bred in captivity, wild populations still need protection to ensure they remain abundant in the ocean. Fortunately, conservation efforts are underway to protect coral reefs and the species that depend on them, including the clownfish. By preserving coral reef habitats and promoting sustainable practices in the aquarium trade, we can help ensure that future generations will continue to enjoy these colorful fish in the wild. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Clownfish are famous for their bright colors and their incredible relationship with sea anemones, which protects them from predators. They have a unique social structure, where males can change into females if needed, and they are fierce defenders of their territory. But like many marine species, clownfish face challenges due to habitat loss and climate change, making conservation efforts critical for their survival. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed learning about these awesome fish, Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more fun facts about marine life. And let me know in the comments. If you were a clownfish, would you want to live in a colorful coral reef or a hidden sea anemone?